walking the hands to face the left side of the mat, folding in our Prasarita Padottanasana, wide-legged forward fold. And if you want to take a little bend in the knees here, or even a little ragdoll, you can. So your next exhale, hands come underneath the shoulders. We inhale for flat back extension, exhaling to fold. Inhaling this time, left hand stays on the mat as we reach the right hand up, opening the chest. And exhaling to fold. Inhaling, lifting the left hand up this time as right hand stays on the mat. Exhaling to fold. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana variation, reaching the chest forwards. As we exhale, walk your hands to frame the right foot. We're turning the feet, maybe walking that left foot a little closer.